Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of Shanghai University. Shanghai University is one of the best university in China. I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, let's talk about its scholarships. Shanghai University offers two types of scholarships. First is Chinese Government Scholarship, that is also called CSC Scholarship, and the second is Shanghai Government Scholarship. CSC Scholarship is one of the best scholarship in China. It covers your full tuition fee, provide free accommodation and give monthly stipend and medical insurance as well. For the CSC scholarship, you will have to apply on two portals. First on the CSC portal and second on university's main portal. I have already uploaded a video that how to apply on CSC portal. Watch that video and first apply on CSC portal and then apply on university's main portal. Now let's talk about the application requirements. First of all, there are general requirements. Read them and scroll down, then language requirements, and then academic requirements. Read all the requirements carefully and then apply for this scholarship. Now let's talk about its program and course. Shanghai University offers bachelor programs, master programs, and doctoral programs. It offers non-degree programs as well. To check further programs, click on Apply Now button. You will see all the programs. You can search your desired programs by keyword and scroll down. Here is the number of programs you will see, both Chinese and English taught programs. You can choose English language of instruction and search your program. So you can easily choose English taught programs. Scroll down and you will see all these programs are English taught programs. So you can easily find English taught programs. Beside language, you can also choose degree and duration. You can choose degree either bachelor's, master's or PhD, and then you can choose your duration in years and then find your program in easy way. Now let's suppose I choose master's degree. My language of instruction, I choose English and then search my program. Scroll down and for example, I choose program finance. Click here on apply button. A page like this opens. Here is the application preference. Student type master's degree, application major finance, tuition fee, and then language of instruction is English. Click on save and next button. The next step is personal information. In personal information, you have to enter your surname, your given name, your Chinese name if applicable, and your abbreviation. Then select your gender and then marital status. Then enter your nationality. Then continent of nationality, for example, for Pakistan, I have chosen Asia. And then select your religion, then national official language. Then enter your passport number and then passport validity period. Then enter your date of birth, place of birth, and then highest level of education. Enter your highest level of education. If you are applying for bachelor's degree, then you choose high school for highest level of education. And if you are applying for master's program, then you will choose bachelor's degree as highest level of education. Then enter your health status, profession, work, and then special skills if any. After filling all the information correctly, click on save and next button. Next step is language ability. Click here. Here you have to enter the detail of your language. First enter Chinese proficiency, then enter the detail of English proficiency. The information includes English proficiency certificate, then exam date, exam score, and then language skills. Enter your correct and authentic information. After completing this field, click on Save and Next button. The next step is educational background. Click here. So if you are applying for bachelor's degree, then enter the detail of your high school. And if you are applying for master's degree, then enter the detail of your bachelor's degree. So choose level of education. Let's suppose if you are applying for bachelor's program, then you will choose the level of education as high school. And if you are applying for master's program, then you choose your undergraduate bachelor. So I am choosing high school. Then enter your country, then enter city, your school name, and then major subject. Then starting date, and then put enter date, end date, and then enter score. If point system, then also enter points. Then click on save and next button. You can also add the detail of your previous education by clicking on add button. Then enter level of education, country, city, school, and then major. Then click on save and next button. The next step is work experience. If you do not have any work experience, then simply click on no. But if yes, then enter the details, your work, company name, your start date, end date, and job duties. After filling that, click on save and next. But if you don't have any work experience, then simply skip this portion and click on no. Click on save and next. The next step is family situation. Here enter the detail of your parent information, including your father's information and mother's information. It includes name, nationality, date of birth, profession, mobile number, and email. Enter household's annual income. Then enter the home address, including country, city, detailed address, and then enter contact information with country code, area code, and telephone number, and then click on save and next button. Next step is contact information. Click here. Here you have to enter the contact information, applicant's contact information including mail, WeChat ID, Skype ID, and mobile phone. But email is compulsory. You can skip other things. Then enter your emergency contact, including name, relationship with yourself, then telephone, and then enter email of that person. Then scroll down, and here is the question how to obtain a paper offer letter, address of offer letter. There are three options, choose one of them. The first two options are self pickers, pick up at two different addresses, and the third is mail to my home address. So choose this option, mail or post to my home address, and then click on save and next. Next step is other information. Here, have you entered China in last 3 years? Click on no. Where to go after completing the studies? So study in China, work in China, return to my home country or other. So you can choose study in China and they will consider you for further studies in China. Then click on save and next button, and then next is application material or application documents. There are the following documents that are required for your application. First is your profile picture, then video introduction, then recommendation letter 1, recommendation letter 2. Scroll down and then English language certificate, highest degree certificate, highest degree transcript, study plan in China. Attach the file of non criminal record, then statement of financial support, and then add supervisor acceptance letter, then copy of your HSK certificate and then published papers if any. Scroll down and then add the file of health certificate and then CSCA score report and then certificate of honor. You can read the instruction for each document that is given in front of the document name. So you can read the instructions for that document and prepare your documents according to these instructions that are given here. Now let's talk about the deadline for the scholarship. The deadline for the scholarship applicants is May 15 and deadline for self-funded applicants is June 30, 2026. So apply before this deadline and start preparing your documents as soon as possible. So after uploading all these documents, click on submit button and in this way you are done with applying to Shanghai University. Again, remember if you are applying for CSC scholarship, then you will have to apply on two portals, first on CSC portal and then on Shanghai University's main portal. I will share the link in the description so you can easily get that link. After applying on both these portals, then your application will be completed and you will be considered. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.